Hey guys! Today, we're playing Hard Time. This game was suggested by Razor Sharp, my friend. So let's just play. Continue. I already started a little. So continue. Oh yeah, this is my character. So yeah, let's get right into this game. And I know the controls now. But I'm not gonna press A because that, unfortunately, punches people. Okay, whatever. I'm getting out of this prison. I don't feel like being here anymore. See? Press A and you punch. Ooh. Haha. Let's knife some people. They're wrestling. Let's fight. Let's get out of here. I don't like being here anymore. It's chasing me. I think we have to go down there. Oh gosh, that police hates me now. Okay. Goodness gracious, everyone is fighting. But it doesn't really matter. So let's try to escape this prison. The time is 22 o'clock. All inmates should return to their cells for a lockdown. Well, what's my cell? It's with that guy. Let's go to sleep. What are you doing in cell 10? You're supposed to be in cell 01. Okay. Cell 01. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Everyone's sleeping on the floor. Wow. Well, I don't really know where to go. Is this one? Nope. Let's get out of this place. Okay. Well. Yeah, let's go to bed. He's going to bed on the toilet. He's going to bed. Oh my gosh! Okay, sorry I'm not talking that much. I'll just start talking a little bit more. Let's get out. I don't like this place anymore. Not one bit. Die! Yeah, you better not. You better not. Let's get out of here. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. Okay, where's the next room at? Okay. It's not anywhere near here. Someone's picked up their red light. Oh well. But anyways, guys, this is actually a pretty cool game. If you guys could comment down below what's the next one, then I'd love that. Sorry. I'm kind of getting a little weird. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little gameplay of Hard Time. So, yeah. See you all later in the next episode. Well, not the next episode, just the next video. Anyways, see you guys later, and bye, guys.